Welcome to Tooltech Geek. I want to show you a multi-tool that I printed about a while ago, about like a week ago or so. I've been carrying it with me. I made quite a few. It's very small, kind of easy to carry around, lightweight, and also easy to build compared with other ones I've been working on. So, but the size is made to fit pockets very easily. Part of the fun of making your own tools is that you can customize them. So here I painted them different colors just to see what they would look like. The main idea of this tool is to combine a few functions with a storage capacity. Including just a few tools instead of a lot of them is partially inspired by the Milwaukee Fastback. This is a known minimalist tool, so it has a really good blade, and then you have your screwdriver that can interchange bits. So this tool is that doesn't do too many things, but it's really good at what it does. Also, the handle is very important. So sometimes for blades, having a big handle is important for safety, for handling. Then this also has a bottle opener and a 1/4-inch nut driver. So, but that's kind of part of the inspiration. Even the shape itself, I basically liked this type of format because it's good for putting in a pocket. The other function I wanted to include is a storage function. So here I have some kind of first aid items and the driver bits. So the storage is inspired by these Altoids kits where people basically carry some essentials in a little tin. Can have very customized things that you like. A while ago I was playing with the idea of a handle that could store things, and then you could put blades or different tools with an adapter. And as much as I like that, it's a bit complex with the adapter thing. So that turned into a much simpler thing nowadays. I think that it's easier to build with very few parts. Don't have to do like custom metal parts. The metal parts are all off the shelf. The main tools we have is a small utility blade and a 4mm driver bit. This is a very small blade, but is enough to open packages and do a lot of everyday tasks. The driver bit is a bit of a hack. So these inserts are meant to be used in furniture to add threads, but to install them they have this 4mm hexagon to be installed with a hex key. So I'm using it here as a bit driver, and I found them to work pretty well, at least for light duty driving. I also use it in this other multi-tool that has sandpaper stick and also the same utility blade. This one is much smaller. in the insert there is room to put a small magnet, so I did that also. That helps hold the bit, especially if you don't want it to fall and get lost. In the storage space I carry like a few band-aids and disinfecting pads, and also the bit drivers. Funny thing is, I ordered a bunch of different ones from AliExpress, and turns out one of them fits exactly in this space here, but I just designed this just to have enough room for that blade, so I made that, but it turns out to be exactly the same size, and it just doesn't rattle or anything, so that was quite the coincidence. Another thing I found is that this can fit one of these dakoyu scissors. These are very compact scissors, but they also end up having a very big blade. So these they can be purchased separately or as part of this dakoyu multi-tool that has a pocket where you store these scissors. But so this is kind of where I got it from. However, this can be purchased separately, and they even have a pocket clip, but they're super tiny and with long blades, so it's kind of amazing how the scissors are. So I really like it. This will add you a big scissor capability. Another thing I'm interested in is the Roxon Flex modular tools. These have tools you can replace yourself, and I think this could be a way to carry them around. So the Flex has basically a system where you can switch tools, and they don't take a lot of space, so this could be a way to carry extra ones if you have the Roxon modular system. For the closure of the box, I'm using this knurl nut and a carriage bolt. So this bolt has a square part on this side that prevents it to spin, and then that circular nut kind of merges here with the rounded design, so that makes it easy for the pockets and such. It doesn't really stick out or have sharp corners, so I really like that. It's pretty easy to open and close. The design is pretty rounded and flat, so it makes it easy to slide in out the pockets. So hopefully you found these ideas exciting or inspiring. If you're interested in printing this tool, I'm putting the STLs in a link and a list of these hardware parts. And remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.